And one. And a being, and we're live. It is the Sam and Thomas Show. No, what I mean, EuroAsia Scrum. That's what it is. Let's get the screen on the share, in the house, in the...
I love your sweater today. Great color.
Thank you. Yeah, I try and coordinate when I can. So, yes, Thomas, how are things with you?
Yes, well, I just noticed that I screwed up to push out the new materials for the AV102 course. So
In what terms?
Well, it's not published, and I just logged in and from my laptop, and I can't see the changes that I introduced a few days ago. So
you maybe just didn't click the publish button or something.
Yeah, so I'm just going to revisit that and get this out within the next 10 minutes or something.
Good job.
And other than that, we had a big Christmas party and a demo show last night here at Chalmers Innovation, the incubator where I sit, and that was the most fantastic thing. There were 13 teams of startup people that were presenting their ideas, and it's great inspiration to and a privilege actually to be working in an environment with where these people are present, because there is so much positive energy here, right? And the ideas and the products that they were showcasing were to different degrees, of course, but they were fantastic. These young people, they are finding problems in various parts of business life or personal life that they are trying to solve with technology, and the variety of business models and revenue models and etc. was stunning. So it was really cool.
Wonderful.
So for instance, there is this little startup here that they have created an app for language learning, where they put and I like that approach. I've used it in my when I was a physical trainer, for my wrestling team. When you try to teach somebody something, you try to put that in a context that is relatively simple, and then you kind of make that more and more advanced, and to see your new concept or the thing that you're trying to learn used in different ways, and also the level of complexity growing on you. It's a good thing, I think, and they created an app for language learning where you take a word or a sentence and you use it in different situations, and by that learning by doing kind of approach to that. So they had a great conversion rate. They made it public a week ago, and they have already a few thousand users.
Yeah, my learning picture dictionary that I released on Android was one of my most popular apps.
Oh, there you go.
So my thing was about you were adding words to your dictionary, or taking photographs of them and saying the word, and you basically create a multimedia dictionary from your experiences of learning a language.
Oh, there you go. Cool.
But that kind of fell foul of not being able to keep up with the... well, actually, that was my original business plan was that, and using a search-based revenue model with ads. But the whole at the time on Android, it just didn't. I don't know. It wouldn't let me tune the ads to the search that the user was doing, and it just there you go.
Ah, okay. Well, there are pretty much very advanced services for that now. So.
Yeah, no, I think it's a different world. This was like 4 or 5 years ago. But oh, cool. Well, that sounds like you had fun last night. That's excellent.
Oh yeah, and then we had this Christmas party here, so. There was just some meeting with people, and it was great. Although I felt a little bit like an outsider, my background. So I'm not from this world kind of. But it's great, It's Well, anyway, so that was me. I wasn't. I got home fairly late last night.
Anything technical blocking you at the moment?
No. I just time-wise again, But I've set up this meeting with Rose for next Monday, so that's exciting. And well, nothing else to report on my part. I will focus on the AV102 course now, before I start working.
Good show. So where am I? Yeah, I'm wrestling with Angular because we're suddenly teaching it. That's interesting and painful and interesting. Yeah, I had the client meeting yesterday. Short and sweet. Did manage to get we managed to get through a few important things. I think we've got Michael and Marianne and John are working on bug fixes related to requests from the client, so that's kind of good. We're switching back to doing weekly local support client meetings. Which I think is a positive move. Yeah, well, I guess. Well, I have to tell them that I'm not. I can't really do a retrospective today. We really, the not being able to set bi-weekly is becoming a repeated thing.
Yeah, you know what? I was thinking about that yesterday.
Yeah.
I can do that setting on in the console. You know, I can just update that. Oh yes, of course. There is. It's just a matter of sending. You know, updating that particular instance.
Yeah, cool.
So yeah.
Yeah, that would
if
be
you
really,
want, I can try to do
that. That would be really handy. It's I think anytime that the messages that we send are mismatched with the what we're trying to actually do, it creates cognitive dissonance, as they say. So yeah, and I'm basically. What else is going on? It's our graduation today, so it's going to be a busy day. I'm going to be dressing up as Santa Claus.
I'm losing you.
Indeed. It's our graduation today, so we've got 25 students graduating. I'm going to be dressing as Santa Claus for some reason, and giving out presents. And on Monday we've got a new troop starting, and yeah, I don't think there's. I think I have sent out the MOOC email. I should send out the homework email. I guess I will do that now. Otherwise, it will just get lost in the chaos. But that's about it, really, for me. Yeah, I'm just sort of wrestling with Angular and JavaScript promises at the moment, which are an interesting topic. But there we go. Yeah, cool. All right. I guess we better go get on and do our respective course-related duties, unless there's anything else we need to address. Otherwise, have a fantastic weekend. I might be able to take the Atlantic Scrum and not the local sport. We'll see how it goes this afternoon.
All right.
All right. Thanks, Thomas. Have a good one.
You too, brother. Take it easy.
Bye for now.
Bye bye.